Okay, so we have a 2024 BMW X5. As you can see, engine oil service required, and I'm gonna show you how to remove this or reset this after you have changed your oil and your filter. So without pressing the brake pedal, you're going to hit the start stop button 3 times in a row. So once you have done that, your dashboard should look like this with the check engine light over there, over that side. So then you're going to locate the BC button, which is to the left of the steering. You're going to press and hold the BC button for 15 seconds. So once 15 seconds has elapsed, then you release the BC button and you're going to see reset possible for the engine oil. Press the BC button again for 3 seconds, then release. Then press the BC button again for 3 seconds again, and then release. And that should reset the engine oil service required. And as you can see, it is no longer on the screen. I say reset successful. So once that has been completed, you can go ahead and start the vehicle. And you're good to go.